Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Apple Cash in Wallet and Apple Pay on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, tap on Apple Cash button to switch it off. When you turn it off, there will be a pop-up. It says turn off Apple Cash on this iPhone, so tap on turn off. Otherwise, we can tap on the toggle button to turn on Apple Cash. When you turn it on, you need to enter your Apple ID to sign in. Okay, once you put in your Apple ID and password, you will be presented with this screen. So tap on the continue button and then tap on agreed, and we will now proceed to set up your Apple Cash. You can, at this point, you can verify your identity. So you need to verify your identity. So just put in your name, and then from this screen here, just put in your detail, and you can tap on the next button to continue finishing off the identity verification. Once you have done that, you should be able to use your Apple Cash. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.